Hey guys, welcome again. Please use your headphones for ultimate audio experience. So today I'm going to unbox 10 Raspberry Pi boards. This video is about 10 Raspberry Pi boards. But April Fool guys, goodbye. Guys, please wait, it's not a clickbait. I'm just kidding. So first watch my intro and then we shall proceed to the video. So for some of you guys who are wondering why he is doing these tricks, please go and check the published date. So this is what we have clicked for this video. So guys, I am going to unbox 10 Raspberry Pi boards. First, let me show you the 10 packages first. These are the specifications. So I will place the Raspberry Pi boards one by one in an organized manner. So you can count if you want. And this is the 10th one, the final one. So we have total 10 boxes. So guys, what I will do is I will just open a single piece, full detailed close-up view. So you can have a close-up view on that board. In opening the box package, we get directly the board itself and a thick user manual which contains several languages, instructions, etc. So we will keep it aside. This is the board itself. It comes in a static resistant package. Let us take out. So look at the board, it is very pretty. In the left side we got 4 USB and Ethernet, and another side HDMI, USB port and audio jack. So this is the Raspberry Pi board. Actually this is Raspberry Pi model B version. So at the bottom side we have that micro SD card slot which acts as a hard disk for this microcomputer. So this is the close-up view. So some of the viewers won't accept if I didn't open all 10 boxes. They will think that are all empty boxes. So what I will do is I will just fast forward the video so to consider not to time waste. So you can see all the box contains Raspberry Pis. Guys, many of the viewers viewed the video but didn't consider to subscribe. So it will be helpful if you consider subscribing. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my work. If you feel any queries or any suggestions, you can directly comment me down below. I will respond to you immediately. Thank you. That's it for now guys. Please subscribe. Bye.